I am aft on the Norwegian Sky cruise ship. It is July the 4th, 2018, and I want to walk you through what they have here on Deck 12. They have an outdoor seating area right above the buffet, but the principal attractions here, at least inside, are the Plantation Club, as well as Cagney Steakhouse. So walking here into the Plantation Club, it is another bar area with a piano set up. One of the things which is interesting about this cruise ship is that all of the bars tend to have the same menu all of the time. This space is also sometimes used as the concierge lounge for passengers staying in suites, which I am not. And it looks like they are set up for a wine tasting later on. I may have to check that out. Moving out of this space to the other side of the ship is Cagney Steakhouse. Again, for lunch, it's open only for suite passengers at no additional charge. At dinner, it becomes a specialty dining restaurant. And I'm not getting that. I will send a picture separately of that menu. But it is a lovely steakhouse atmosphere with views of the sea. So, one of the things which is frustrating about this ship is the way that it's chopped up is you quite frequently have to go outside in order to get to a different space you want to get to inside and can't walk straight through. You'll walk outside on Deck 12, but if it gets windy I may have to shut this off early. You have a lot of open deck space, as well as all the way forward on Deck 12 you have a hidden plunge pool which is intended for families. So, walking back out, you have the open deck space I mentioned earlier. It's right above the great outdoor cafe and the regular buffet, and it's just a comfortable place to come sit and eat with obviously great sea views. The wind hits as soon as we go forward. You have a golf driving range. Have a number of places for people to just sit in the sun. You have a sports court area, which conveniently they keep all the way covered so that the balls don't go flying everywhere. If you're looking for shuffleboard, that is on the opposite side of this deck. The equipment's always free and open. And you have Champ's Sports Bar. So that is Deck 12 here on the Norwegian Sky. If you'd like to know more about this beautiful cruise ship or others, please follow us on Dine Drink Travel. We would appreciate your support by following us either on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, or follow our page on www.dinedrinktravel.com. Thanks very much and happy travels.